In today's episode, we head to the house because we just got it painted, as you can see behind me. But the walls were slightly textured, so we're just having some trouble getting them to be completely smooth, which I know it's a thing. If we would have just done orange peel, whatever, then it probably would have just been easy peasy, but just because we want them so smooth, it is taking some time.
Because it didn't grab on good. Look at this, it's falling apart. Look, see, it's breaking up. Look at this cracking.
Ooh, thanks. All right, so it's a mess in here. Nonetheless, wow. We are almost done, right? Almost there.
Sure.
So we are in the center of kitchen and living room. So let me show you over here. Don't die with all these fumes, but okay, so this is the kitchen.
But it smells great.
That's what Liam said, and I was like,
it does. It does smell great. It used to smell like old rodents, so perfect.
It was really
and pee,
bad.
Cat pee.
Really
nice
bad.
Amount of cat pee.
You guys saw it. It was bad. Okay, so we're gonna do stove here, cabinet, sink, drawers. No, dishwasher. Dishwasher, drawers. Some cabinets up here, a floating shelf, fridge, coffee table, little situation.
And a 12-person table.
And this huge table that I just had to have. Of course, I had to have it.
We built out the kitchen for this stupid table.
This
table was the reason.
It's the reason why we opened this whole thing.
There used to be a wall here, and we had to knock the wall down in order to fit this table in here.
Yeah.
It didn't
hopefully
make sense,
hopefully it fits and it works.
But the tile came out of that, right? Tile came out of this table. The color scheme came out of the table.
I mean, I love the table. I love the table. I'm obsessed with it. So, yeah. TV situation. They just did crown molding. Almost done. Not quite.
Not crown molding. Crown molding's on top.
So crown. Oh, yeah.
It's just base
what
boards.
Do I know? Okay, baseboards. That's what it's called. Baseboards. So we did mention that the house is like pretty small, but it's mighty, okay? You're gonna love it if you stay here. It's gonna be like the best Airbnb ever, okay? Best Airbnb ever.
Why did he do this?
Why was he not supposed to do that?
It's supposed to be kind of 45 degrees. He did everything else just right. I don't know why he didn't do it.
Oh, I see what you mean.
I mean, I'll see what he does. It looks terrible.
Maybe he's gonna cut it.
I don't care. I literally have to come every 2 hours, inspect every piece of work.
So when you guys have contractors at your house,
that's what you pay a contractor for. So you don't have to do this
But the contractors still don't like do as you say. You need to like look at their work and make sure that it's done appropriately. Oh, the doors are painted.
Yeah, they primered them.
Or primered them. I'm not a fan because they are like a little bit more farmhouse than I like. I wanted more modern, but I was not gonna wait 6 weeks. We need to move in like in 3.
Sorry.
It's fine. You can. It looks realistic.
Oh.
You're showing what you gotta do.
Yeah, I hate these freaking doors. I legitimately hate them. I hate them so much, but it is what it is.
I think they give some like texture to the house and some.
I mean, once they're painted and they're like a beautiful like.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oil-based paint. It'll look pretty, but it's a hideous door. I mean, it's not hideous. It just doesn't go with the house. I would have liked the modern ones better, but again, that's all they had.
And sing.
This is
The
it.
final color.
This is the color.
I love it.
If you touch the walls, like that's the actual color. I mean, it's hard to see in video versus like primed versus like this color, but it's clearly different. And you can see that it actually has a sheen to it. You can't see it, but you can feel the sheen. Yeah, if you touch it, not the doors. Like touch yeah. You feel the sheen? There's like looks like kind of plasticky.
Come and look at the rooms. Yeah, I love it. It looks kind of dark right now because
There's no lighting.
well,
Well, it's
but also
gloomy
because
outside.
it's gloomy, yeah.
I love it. It looks so clean.
It's clean,
The
right?
walls, yeah.
But we knocked down all the walls. Like this is all new.
6
Really?
cats
Yeah.
and 2 dogs later.
Ooh, that must have been.
Who knows how many
When you see
millions
it,
of
when you
roaches.
see it, oh my god, it's
Wow.
night and day.
The neighbor came in and she kind of like, she couldn't stay here longer than like a minute. She's like, I gotta go.
Wow. That's crazy. This looks so cute though, guys. I love it.
Oh, look, they fixed it. See? Told you. I was just gonna put like the Bondo, sand this off, make it clean. Yeah, look, he did the door. See? He framed the door.
In next week's episode, we need to move in like T-minus now.
Oh, which one do you
We
like?
don't have countertops.
He said to go with this one.